Hello guys, in today's video, we're gonna check out the best car wraps in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I've tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and many more. To find out more information about these car wraps, you can check out the description below. If you want to get a best quality car wraps according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide to buy. At the first position of our list, we have Threem 2080 G12 Gloss Black 5X50 car wrap. Threem is one of the biggest names in the industry on account of quality, so it's only natural to give it the award for best overall based on reputation alone. That's not all that's considered, though, as Threem's wraps are very easy to work with and an excellent product for beginners to learn with. It's also very durable and sure to last many years in most environments. This particular option is a beautiful gloss black, and you get 250 square feet to work with, which is good for the average car. You can opt for larger or smaller rolls depending on your needs, though. While there's a lot that makes this product desirable, there are some issues to be aware of. For one, its price is a little high for beginners who will need to practice. Also, it seems as though Threem frequently replaces rolls sent to customers, as there is a lot of old inventory with imperfections sent out. Moving on to the next at number 2, with VViViD Plus Slate Gray Grigio Telesto Gloss 5 x 50 feet vinyl car wrap. Next up is an entry from VViViD Plus, which is a great option for folks wanting a decent product on a budget. This wrap is about what you'll need to cover your entire car, as the price is for a total of 250 square feet. VViViD is a great brand for starters and professionals, as the middle-of-the-road pricing fits within any budget. But the quality is far better than what you'd find at the bottom of the barrel. As usual with vinyl, you can also get it in larger or smaller rolls for practice or in case of mistakes. It's also exceptionally durable and will last as long as many other top-shelf options if done right. You definitely want to practice with this vinyl before you get rolling. That's because it works with an aggressive adhesive that makes it difficult to remove and realign. VViViD's vinyl is also thicker than most, which is great for longevity, but that does make it tougher to contour. The number 3 position is held by Avery SW900 865 Gloss Dark Gray 5 feet x 75 feet. There are some heavy hitters on this list, but many feel Avery is worth spending a little extra on as it has the best of everything. It's an exceptionally durable product. The finish is gorgeous, and it's easier to install than the others. The ease of installation is made possible with Avery's patented adhesive. The durability is also above average on account of the protective layer on the film. You do pay extra for the quality, but this is also a 375 square foot roll. Believe it or not, the value is better than you'd get with other brands, and you could save on a smaller roll if you'll need something of this size. While installation is simple, you do want to learn how this product works before installing, as some say it's very easy to overheat and damage if you're not careful. Also, it does seem that some old stock is fairly common from the brand, and you will want to have old, wrinkled wraps replaced before working with it. Next at number 4, we have EzAuto Wraps Threem Chrome Blackout Kit. What if you don't want to wrap the entire car? What if this is the first time you're messing with a vinyl wrap? This option from EzAuto is the entry for you, as this little kit is perfect for quick projects or beginners because it comes with everything you need to get started, except for a heat gun. It includes a roll of black Threem vinyl wrap, a squeegee, and a cutting blade. It's designed to work as a chrome blackout kit, but it's more affordable and easier to do than attempting to paint over chrome pieces. Also, it sits at a really good price, making it an excellent contender for our pick of best value. This ultimately did get the award of best value because it's something desirable by a somewhat limited demographic. Also, it does seem that issues with incorrect lengths are relatively common, and the tools included aren't exactly professional quality. The number 5 position is held by VViViD Dark Wood Grain Faux Finish Textured Red Vinyl Wrap 1 foot x 4 feet. VViViD's relatively affordable line of wraps takes another spot on the list, only this time it's not exactly something you'd put on the exterior of the vehicle. Instead, it's the kind of piece you'd use to dress up the interior. The dark wood grain faux finish is perfect for those who want to add a little class to the cabin of their ride or who need to restore the old, cracked, faded, or missing wood grain it came with. The particular roll we're covering is rather small, making it great for light projects. Larger rolls covering up to 100 square feet are also available, and it can be used for more than just automotive projects. it's only right to talk about the potential drawbacks. In this case, it does seem that a few reviewers have trouble getting it to install just right. Also, there are a good amount of reports about the product having the grain run the wrong way, leading to a lot of returns. The number 6 position is dominated by Rvinyl 3 2080 SP276 Satin Flip Caribbean Shimmer 5 feet x 30 feet W/application card. 3 doesn't just do grayscale, as this Satin Flip Caribbean Shimmer has the kind of luster to it that most folks associate with vinyl wraps. It's certainly unique and definitely not something you'll want on your car if you don't like talking about it. Being a 3 wrap, it's every bit as durable as it is easy to apply, and it even comes with an instruction manual to keep things simple. As if that's all not enough, Rvinyl tosses in an application card. Unfortunately, only relatively small sheets are available, with a 180 square foot roll being the largest. For the price it brings in, it would be nice to see a little more coverage. Moving on to the next at number 7 with VViViD Black True R Carbon Fiber Vinyl Wrap 6 feet x 5 feet. The list is wrapping up with the kind of wrap many folks have been waiting for. This VViViD Black Carbon Fiber roll is exactly what you need to get the iconic performance look without spending an arm and a leg on custom panels. This particular sheet measures 6 feet long by 5 feet wide, making it perfect for hoods, roofs, trunk lids, or any other single panel you'd like to outfit. Of course, larger and smaller rolls are available as well, and all remain relatively affordable, as you would expect from VViViD. It's also just as durable as some of the better wraps on the market. As you could expect, this product does share the same issues as any other from the brand. It can be pretty difficult to work with, and there are reports of misprints arriving at the customer. Finally, the number 8 position is dominated by VViViD Chameleon Carbon Fiber Purple to Blue 5 feet x 50 feet. Finally, VViViD has something to offer that isn't in grayscale. We know that a major attraction to car wraps is the crazy finishes at affordable prices. That's why we want to close with an example of that. This entry from VViViD offers the quality, durability, and pricing you could expect, only not in grayscale as we've shown so far. The carbon fiber purple to blue finish is highly stylish and will instantly boost the aesthetic appeal of a car for many. While there is enough here to cover the entire car, you can also opt for something smaller to handle trim, hoods, or other small portions of a vehicle. Is it perfect? No, as it shares the same issues as the pick for best value. It's kind of hard to work with due to the thickness, and the adhesive leaves little room for mistakes. Still, it's an excellent option for anyone looking to stand out. That's all for today. We upload all types of car accessories review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for the upcoming video notifications.